Welcome back, my little creatures of the night. Today we're unboxing something that made my bank account hiss like a vampire exposed to sunlight, the Sina Belt from Baby Turns Blue. Now, before we release this beauty from its velvet prison, let's talk about the brand because Baby Turns Blue has a genuinely interesting story. The company was founded in Paris in 2018 by Milena Walter, who has previously worked for Christian Dior, before deciding that she wanted to create something of her own, something that was more modern, more independent, and sustainably made. Each piece is designed and handcrafted in their Paris atelier rather than outsourced to mass production. So what's generally interesting is that the brand became known for creating architectural, slightly fetish-inspired accessories that can be worn as fashion rather than as costume. And they're also committed to vegan materials and became known for using innovative apple-based leather alternatives while maintaining luxury quality. In short, if Paris had a secret society of elegant vampire accountants, this is probably what they wear. Happy mail. Let's open her up. Beautiful dust bag. Very nice first impression. I already feel financially irresponsible, a key ingredient to anything. So let's check this out. Look at the hardware, the structure, clean lines. This is not a belt. This is a character development arc. The kind of accessory that says, yes, I have read your email. No, you may not schedule a meeting. Who doesn't want to say that to their boss? Just saying. Craftsmanship is gorgeous. Lots of adjustment. Now, my waist is 26, bare, and enclosed 26.5. And the one thing I love about Baby Turns Blue is that their pieces walk that perfect line between romantic, gothic, and slightly dangerous, like if Morticia Adams, my style icon, had an expense account, or if a Victorian widow inherited a shipping empire and immediately became everybody's problems. The buckle, beautiful finish. I love this. It's delicate. It isn't giving like cute accessory. This is giving, she knows where the bodies are buried. Honestly, that's my exact aesthetic. I don't know about you guys. So, like I said, my waist enclosed is 26.5, bare is 26. Fits, but I'm a large small. And you could definitely wear this over a dress, over a fitted top, maybe a blazer, while dramatically staring out a rain-covered window, pretending you're carrying a terrible family secret, which for legal reasons, I am not. I just enjoy looking like I am. Like, my favorite thing about pieces like this is that they completely transform the outfit. I love it. The dress doesn't change. The person wearing it changes. You go from like, I bought groceries at Walmart to I may or may not own a cursed estate that may or may not have some berries bodied in like 3 seconds, and that's value. So final verdict, absolutely beautiful, exceptional design, very versatile, wonderful craftsmanship, exactly the sort of thing that makes me want to wander through an abandoned cathedral looking for clues about an inheritance dispute. Anyway, I like it because it can go from very casual to very formal. Thank you for joining today's descent into fashionably poor decisions. Now, if you excuse me, I need to spend the next 2 hours trying this on with every black garment I own, which unfortunately is basically most of them. See you next time, my dark little goblins. Stay spooky.